10th standard max common quarterly examinationக்காக previous various district question paper with detailed solution ஓட அனலைஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறோம் from JK Tuition Center மதுரை. இந்த மாதிரி various district question paper நீங்கள் நல்லா தரவா பார்த்துட்டனா you will get more than 90% of the marks கண்டிப்பாக வாங்க முடியும் students. Let us start part B question number 20. I am Jaykumar. Find the sum 3 plus 1 plus 1 by 3 up to infinity. Here A is equal to 3. Common ratio R is equal to T2 by T1 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, அப்போ sum of infinite terms. Okay, S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. A is equal to another 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay, so 3 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Upper 3 by 2 by 3 which is equal to 9 by 2 is the answer. Okay, wish you all the best. Subscribe பண்ணுங்க, like பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணிட்டு பாருங்க students. Thank you.